Zoex.net. How to install XAMPP for PHP. The purpose of this video is to show how to install XAMPP, which includes the Apache web server. The Apache web server is used to run PHP code, which is what I will be doing in coming videos. This installation is the beginning of the series of PHP videos. To start, open a browser and search for Install XAMPP, and you should get a link that looks something like this, which you can click on to get the download page. The download page is currently at https://apachefriends.org download.html. On the download page, you might see several versions that you can download. Make sure that you select the correct platform. I'm on Windows, and I am choosing the newest version for Windows, which is 8.0.13, but you might be able to get a newer one. Click the link to begin the download. It will take a minute or so, but then you should see a link like this one, where you can click Open File to begin the installation. If you do not see that link, go to your Downloads folder and click the Installer executable there to run it. You might see a warning and a UAC warning message like this one. Just click through them and go on. This will take you to the setup wizard shown here. Click the Next button to go on. This brings up the Select Component screen. Click the Next button to go on. This brings up the installation folder selection screen. After selecting the location for your installation, click the Next button to go on. This brings up the language selection screen. Click the Next button to go on. This brings up the Binami screen. Click the Next button to go on. This brings up the screen that says it is ready to install. Click the Next button to go on. This begins the installation. This will take a little while the installation proceeds. When it is finished, you should see this screen. Click the Finish button to complete the wizard. This will open the control panel and complete the installation.